ekangako we understand yeah we understand and then ba shocked ukuthi ichinje ngalendlela bazibone bengaphandle yabona indlela.
Okay, so let's fast forward to le tournament ye Easter benidlala kwiThokoza LFA.
Yes.
Yeah, maqala tournament benimeje namani ne Ashes to Ashes. That's what we knew from Facebook. Ngama post abewasheriwe to say nizobe nidlala kuphi nizobe nidlala kuphi to say okay uTatuske uzoba coach manager kenzakale kanjani up until we have heard xa senisohlukana ba benimejile.
No ngeke ngiyiphendule imphendule umbuzo njalo. Yeah because angikhona ukuphendula because anikwazi ukuba ndihambe ndiyophendula emva kube kanti ekuqaleni zange ngiqale ndiyibona ipost ku Facebook
to say
yeah so anikwazi uyiphendula into eqalwe emva mina
iqalwe emva. Okay,
yeah so leyo into nje singavele nje siyijambe. Yeah
mara ikhona iconversation enanike abanayo ukuhlanganisa ama team
nabani
no Tatuske
asiba ngisisho apha ukuthi ngeke ndiyiphendule leyo into because mina nje ndiyibona nje ku Facebook ngeke nje lihlale nje iphendule into njalo because mina ngizothetha ngeteam yami ewine i-tournament
yeah okay now good team yakho ewine i-tournament first game uyodlala eDexter.
Yes,
you lost at Dexter.
Yes,
and then wapress.
Yes,
uluziswe indoni eDexter?
No, ndaye labona ukuthi I know Lamajida is a mistake because the squad ebendisiphethe mfethu besi strong beniphethe isquad as strong and then ukhumbula ukuthi i team lebesidlala nayo